Once upon a time, a monkey lived on a jamun tree beside a river. A crocodile lived in the river with his wife. The monkey and the crocodile were good friends. The monkey gave sweet jamuns to the crocodile, and the crocodile used to take the monkey on his back in the river for rides. The day passed. The crocodile used to give jamuns to his wife. His wife was wicked. One day she thought that if the jamuns are so sweet, the monkey's heart would also be very sweet, for he ate such jamuns every day. One day she sat silently looking upset. The crocodile asked her,
Why are you so sad?
She said, I have a wish, but I know you can't fulfill it. He said,
What is your desire?
She said, I wish to eat your friend's heart. It must be very sweet. The crocodile was troubled. He tried to convince her otherwise, but she did not agree. The crocodile went to the monkey with a heavy heart. As usual, when the monkey and crocodile were in the middle of the river, the crocodile told the monkey about his wife's wish. Seeing the danger, the monkey said cunningly,
Oh dear friend, it is a very usual small thing you are worrying about. Take me to my tree. I have left my heart on the tree. I shall give it to you happily and you both can enjoy it.
The poor crocodile took him near the tree. The monkey jumped upon the tree and said,
Oh foolish friend, do you think one can take out his heart from his body and put it on a tree? Go away and never come to me. I do not need a friend like you.
The crocodile went back to his wife disappointed. Moral of the story: use your common sense when you are in danger. Don't lose courage. Thank you.